these seats are firm. I like a firm seat. Dude, this thing has a nice interior.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're inside a 2014 Honda Civic LX. Got my bro here with me, and I gotta tell you guys, from what I've been hearing, he's got some pretty juicy Honda Civic stories. So good that we had to jump into the Honda Civic right now. I mean, what do we got over here? Let me see.
It's a piece of paper with some mumbo jumbo on it.
Oh, it's the eco button. What's the eco button do? It saves gas, kadurk. But apparently it affects a lot of other stuff like your throttle response, AC, anything that would affect the motor not saving gas. So we got a 2014 Civic LX, 4-door, front wheel drive, 1 owner, 20 service records, no accidents. Dang, this is what you want, 155,000 miles. This thing is a beast. See it right here, it's a commuter only car right here. But it's absolutely beautiful. Black on the inside. Wow, this black is in such good condition. Look at this, 150,000 miles. And just look at the condition of everything in here. It's really nice. It's just a little dusty, a little dirty. It's okay. Got some buttons here. Audio off. Oh no, let's turn that on. See what we got. Man, if I wasn't doing POV test drives every single day on my way to work, every single day on my way home, I'd be just jamming out. But you know, you guys want to hear the car, you guys don't want to hear music, or you do want to hear music, but it's all copyright stuff, so I can't do it. Just gotta adjust my stuff real quick. Low riding, homie.
Hey,
you ready to go?
I have a question for the audience, and I want to know if anybody else is similar to me or does what I do. So like I have, you know, I have different moods when I drive, and one of my moods is that when I'm driving, I like to enjoy my drive. So what I do is I play no music and just drive as well as possible. I enjoy the sound of other vehicles. I enjoy the sound of the wheel spinning. I enjoy the sound of the engine, and that is music to my ears.
Nice. Yeah, I was doing ASMR test drives, and I really liked them and enjoyed them, and my channel did really well with ASMR test drives. But a lot of people kept requesting me to talk, like all my subscribers and stuff were telling me, talk, when are you gonna talk, when are you gonna do this? So I stopped doing it, and guess what, my channel has gone blip. Oh, totally stinks, man. But I do miss the ASMR test drives. I mean, there's just so much to love here. Time for these juicy stories, crew. I've been waiting for them. Tell me them.
Okay, so I have a car spin out story in a Honda Civic.
In a Honda Civic.
That was my first Honda Civic I ever owned.
And I don't really have any Honda Civic stories there. Oh, I think I have one Honda Civic story. You're gonna like this one. Okay. You're gonna like this one, but I want to hear yours first.
Okay.
You go first.
So one of my first cars was a 1995 green Honda Civic hatchback SI.
I remember that one.
Manual transmission with a moonroof, and dude, that thing was beautiful.
It really was.
Dude, that thing was beautiful.
It was salvage. I remember that car, right?
It was salvage.
It was so nice. That car was so nice.
It was salvage, but
I never thought it was until
I never felt that it was salvage at all.
There was nothing wrong with it. All right, so continue.
Okay, so
let's go this way.
I gotta go to work one morning. And I'm gonna be late to work, so I just throw myself together and I hop in my car and I start speeding to work, trying to get there as quick as possible because I only have a few minutes to clock in. And at this point, I'm starting to remember that it was the morning because I was so sleepy on my way. So I'm approaching work and I'm only a few turns away, and
what's up with this guy? He had his blinker on.
A few roads that no one takes because it's kind of like a farm area. So I take those roads and I'm speeding down these roads now, and I get to the final turn And I'm talking about the final turn before I get to work. And there's no one around, and it's a 90-degree angle, and I'm gonna turn left. So I say, whatever, I'm speeding, I'm gonna be late to work, and I'm trying to get there as quick as possible. Plus, I'm sleepy, so I'm not thinking as well as I should. So what I am thinking is, I'm just gonna take this 90-degree turn and drift it.
You're gonna drift it? Have you ever drifted?
No.
Nice, it's a good choice.
So
man, these roads stinks, bro.
So at this point, I'm taking up as much room on the road as I can, so I can just whiz through this 90-degree turn, turning left. So I start going, and I turn left, but I'm sleepy and I don't know what's going on until it finally happens. And dude, my Honda Civic does like a starts spinning out, like like the rear wheels are like, the wheels start going like this, and I spin out like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dang, was there anyone there to see it?
There was no one there. Nobody.
It was over a bridge, right? You go over the bridge, and then when you're going down?
No.
Because I got pulled over there one time because I was driving a little Civic, and those freaking punk cops, bro, they're so mean to the people with the Civics. You know, they pull you over like that when they see a little Civic, little Honda Civic. They think we're drug dealers or something, just because we drive little Honda gas savers. It's bullcrap. Well, I've never burnt down a Civic, so that's pretty cool.
Right,
you probably had bad tires. That's why it happened.
I'm sleepy and I don't know what's going on. All I can do is kind of like look at my steering wheel, and I just remember kind of like looking down, like, what's going on? Why is this happening?
Oh man.
And I'm so lucky that there was no one around, because dude, my car ended up on the opposite lane, completely facing the opposite lane.
Oh,
and dude, I got out of my car and just to see what happened.
No way.
And
nice.
Dude, my tires were so close to the sidewalk. Dude, I got so lucky. Dude, my wheels could have collided on the sidewalk and it would have been all bad, but dude, nothing happened. Dude,
man, that's good.
Dude, I'm all like,
crazy, man.
Whatever.
That's so funny that you got out of the car. That's so hilarious.
Dude, I make a U-turn, dude. I'm late to work.
Oh yeah, you make a U-turn, nice.
I make a U-turn and just drive to work like that. It's only a few feet away, like nothing ever happened.
Dude,
like,
that could have been so bad.
That could have been so much worse.
Like, could have been, yeah, it could have been terrible. So let me just tell you my story. This is a good story, okay? There's nothing dangerous about Nelson. Nelson POV doesn't do burnouts, all right? You guys look at me driving right now. I'm a slowpoke. I'm the slowest person out here.
But I do remember that one time you crashed your truck, four-wheel.
Oh yeah, that was, we're going off-roading. I had a lifted truck. I just bought it.
Had a few beers.
I had a few beers. I fixed it with the beer too.
Repaired my truck with the beer bottle.
Yeah, I fixed it with the beer because I smashed into a giant rock and the radiator hose cracked. So I literally just put a beer in there and like tied it up, and it worked. But
you're gonna edit that part out.
I need to get to. I need to get to my Civic story.
If you want to hear that story about how Nelson repaired his GMC with a beer bottle,
oh my god, such a good terrible story.
Like the video and let us know.
Yeah, it's so terrible, but I will tell it to you one day if you guys let me know. But here, okay, the Civics are so good on gas that I remember my Civic was on E for like 2 days, and if I went over 2,000 RPMs, it would start to shut off. It even shut off one time, and I used to work all the way in Waterford, and I would drive so slow, like a 1,000 RPM, bro. And if I went above that, the car would start to shudder. And bro, I made it home like that.
Dude.
I made it home with my 93 Honda Civic hatchback, 5-speed manual transmission. I bought that car for $300.
I remember that car.
Dude, that car was so sweet.
You turned that car into like a $5,000 car.
It was a nightmare. Yeah, I did. I had to fix it.
Dude, I have a story about driving my Civic on E, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Dude. Well, I mean, back in those days, we were poor little college kids and stuff.
If you want to hear that story, let me know. I'll tell her right now.
That's how good these Civics are that they don't even need gas. Look at that gas. I could literally go to Sacramento and back with that.
You'll make it to Sacramento, but you won't come back.
Maybe I won't come back, but we'll see. Woo! All right, guys, that's the video. That's the car. This thing is absolutely amazing. It drives so smooth. AC is nice and cold.
I forgot I was driving in the car. I thought I was just chilling.
We are just chilling. That's the channel, bro. We chilling here. Everyone keeps telling me to like do this, do that. And I'm just like, bro, chill. Don't you know I'm chilling?
Bro.
Oh my God, guys.
Watch me chill.
Yeah. That's it. All right, guys, like I said before, that's it. Have a good one.